Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Brookhaven account, one or more friends, and the in-game area unlocked. Once done, spawn at the town square and move straight to the school zone. This saves time. Make sure to equip any needed avatar items for visibility and interaction. You should then find the red marker beside the school entrance and press the action key to trigger the Milestone 4 sequence. This initial trigger starts the timed objective and lets you proceed to the core steps. You now carry out the detailed middle steps. Follow the scripted NPC path and complete the 3-minute tasks in sequence because order matters for Milestone 4. Once a prompt appears, use emotes or the chat command shown to register your action. Timing affects success. Make sure to stay inside the highlighted radius, usually 60 seconds per stage, and coordinate with friends to avoid accidental resets. If someone leaves, pause briefly. Communication prevents wasted attempts and preserves your progress toward completion. You finish by performing the final town hall interaction to claim Milestone 4, approach the desk, follow the prompt, and accept the reward. Once done, open the Milestones menu to confirm completion and view any cosmetic or XP gains. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip: relog and rejoin the same server with your group, because session desync often causes stuck objectives. If that fails, move to a fresh server and repeat the sequence, while keeping everyone coordinated to avoid the same issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.